We shall fight with growing confidence and growing strength in the air. We shall defend our island, whatever the cost may be.
I don't think of her. I don't think of her. Musically, what do I think of her?
Новое аппарат управления, лиценз, редких организаций. Отныне наступает новая полоса.
You don't have anything the matter with you. Well, I have a little trouble now and then, but that's because I'm getting old. But I've got a lot of ginger yet.
I'd like to take a moment and thank everybody in the Apple community for the heartfelt support I got too. It really meant a lot.
أقسم بالله العظيم وبشرفي وبمعتقدي أن أصون استقلال العراق
And you can't look down to read the speech. You have to take the speech up. Because if you did, your neck would break. It would fall off.
Maybe because I made some mistake, I didn't go out. They said, Pele. I fight with everybody. No, my name is Anton.
Quelqu'un m'a prêté un appareil. Alors j'ai vu le défilé de la princesse Margaret et j'ai continué après.
Yo no busco, y mi anhelo no es que haya un enfrentamiento entre el pueblo colombiano. Yo busco la paz y siempre he predicado la paz y he anhelado.
Electric power is everywhere present in unlimited quantities. I can drive the world's machinery without the need of...
I wanted to be known as Mandela, a man with weaknesses.
Cumhuriyet yeni ve sağlam esaslarıyla Türk milletini emin ve metin bir...
Who knocks out everybody and no one can whoop him. That's when that little Cassius Clay from Louisville, Kentucky came up and stopped Sonny Liston.
سنزحف أنا والملايين لتطهير ليبيا شبر شبر بيت بيت دار دار زنقة زنقة من
I went to India in 1929 and finished my novitiate and vows, and I was...
Me, I'm a Black American. I'm proud to be a Black American. I am proud of my race. I am proud of who I am.
Well, probably the newest development is the tremendous drive to...
Happy to be back. I got started my hometown.
Yes.
I would rather say that I have to...
Du Collège américain de radiologie et de la Société américaine de radiologie pour le témoignage d'estime qu'elle m'a apporté ici.
अगर कोई मुल्क को आजाद होना चाहिए तो हिंदुस्तान इस आजादी के लिए मुल्क है और मेरी तो
I had a purpose. I wanted to be one of the best basketball players to ever play. And anything else that was outside.
Фашистская Германия поставлена на колени Красной Армии и войсками наших союзников признал.
Well, I wanted to be the wrong one. I wanted to be a painter, which I was lousy at. The only thing I could do was this kind of work.
We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things.
I love my job, but I hate talking to people like you.
Thanks.
Not even. I love it right now because I said earlier on, you're
The United States of America was suddenly and deliberately attacked by naval...
The stories came out, the girl he left behind, and all that. It wasn't like that. I mean...
El delantero no puede estar cansado de correr un defensor para después...
I'd like to be a queen of people's hearts, in people's hearts. But I don't see myself being queen.
Se complace en cumplir, en primer término, el agradable deber de saludar la incorporación de 3 nuevas naciones.
I'd like to take this opportunity just to express my deep gratitude to the English people.
Martial art include all the combative arts like karate or karate.
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life forever.
Che non verranno modificate alcune clausole di alcuni trattati di pace.
The common language of science. The first step towards language.
I think Chicago is $40 in my pocket. My son is now 12. I'm still married and Ich fleißig gewesen bin, dass ich gearbeitet habe, dass ich mich in diesen Jahren für dich eingesetzt habe, dass ich anständig...